Okay guys, this is part 4 and I totally didn't see anything in my security camera. Like, it's not like I can't even get it up. Like, it's like, is that a girl? In part 2 I said it. I mean in part 3 I said there was a girl and standing on. Yeah, it's like, just like that. And guys, this is the footage of my security camera. Guys, I didn't turn on the fan there. I don't know why, but what's behind me?